Hey everyone, I know it's been over a year since I put out any recent videos and I apologize about that. Thanks to all that have stuck with me. I plan to start putting out videos regularly from this point going forward. I'm going to try to do, at least once every few weeks, depending on my schedule and, what I can come up with. I am actually sitting in a newer WAW Velomobile, WAW number 239. I had this Velo for almost a year now, if not a year. To make a long story short, the last video that I did was with the yellow one. Well, I damaged the yellow one, and so contacted a friend who lives fairly locally, and I said, hey, would you want to sell me your WAW? And he had a Milan, or he has a Milan, and he's actually building his own Velo, and he said yeah. So I bought this one from him and sold the yellow one to this person out in Las Vegas, Nevada, who is working on repairing it, restoring it, and he's going to be riding it. So I will show you around the new Velo. Alright, so this is WAW number 239 from Katanga. It is an all-carbon WAW, and it's been pretty modified by me. Right now it's running this, I believe it's the N1 nose, the longer version, but I actually shortened it up a little bit. I'm running currently one headlight with the stagnation point air intake. It had a different headlight. I actually put in the B&M IQX light. For the front tires, I'm running Continental Contact Urbans. I was running the Contact Speeds, but I found the Urbans to actually be a little bit better. I got my air hose here, and I got the cooling fan just like I had in my yellow WAW. And as far as the front chain rings, I am running a 38 tooth paired with a 65 tooth and 170 millimeter crank arms. This is what it looks like with the headlight on. It is a nice bright light. And just like with the yellow one that I had, this WAW has no rear suspension. So because of that, I can run a larger back tire. So I'm currently running a 700 by 32 Continental GP 5000 with an 1142 rear cassette. So this is my WAW Velomobile number 239. Alright, so last night I installed a brand new turn signal onto my Velomobile. It's called a Kellermann Atto turn signal. It's in this little housing here. It's really small but really bright. So, and this will be the comparison video. So this is what the stock for the WAW looks like. It's decent at night, but during the daytime, when it's sunny, not so great, as you can see, as I'm stepping back from the Velo. And of course, during the daytime, I always have the rear flasher running, the rear tail light running at the top there. So as you can see, it's easy not to be able to notice this by vehicles. And this is what it would normally be like. I got the the flasher running, and the turn signal. And you can barely tell that the turn signal is actually on. I'll shut this light off for now. Okay. And now, this is the new one that I installed last night. And you can see how it's quite a bit brighter than the stock version. And now with the rear light on, this is what it would look like for my normal operation. So yeah, quite a bit of an improvement over the stock.